So yeah, I have my flour, my yeast, my sugar, my salt. This is my salt here, and I used my flavor you would see later. So I added my yeast into the flour. My sugar goes right in, then my salt follows immediately. I added my water. I didn't follow the normal method of proofing the yeast before mixing because I just wanted to make a sharp puff puff for my kids. So yeah, I had my vanilla flavor, and I'll add my water, then I'll mix in gradually. Like I used to say, don't add your water at once. Always take control of your water. So yeah, I have already mixed, and this is a simple trick for us. Make your batter a little bit thick, because one, allow it thick so that when it's done proofing, it will come back to the normal texture you want. It won't be too soft or too thick. Just make it a little bit thick, like what you are seeing on the video right now. Make it this thick. Look at this consistency and work with this consistency, because when it is done proofing, it's going to be a little bit lighter and it's going to be easy for you to work with. So yeah, I am mixing it with my spatula. I really don't know what's going in my hand at this point, so I'll just mix it with my spatula. I was trying to mix that as much as I can.